want to learn how to build your own DIY acoustic panels, this video is for you. Alright, so this is a piece of ROXUL, and the ROXUL measures 15¼ inches by 47½. We will cut two pieces on the inside that will be 15. Okay, so we need two pieces of 15 and here. Crap. Alright, so these pieces will fit on the inside like that. Alright, so that's 48½ inches. 8½. So we have 51¼ and 51¼ so good. We don't have to rack it or anything. So we'll tighten this a little bit more. I'm just lightly tapping because I don't want to change its orientation too much. Cloth. So enough to cover place and go back here. And then we have the same thing on this side, pulling it 45 degrees. Again. So now I'm folding this in and pulling it tight. Alright, so as you saw, that's how we build the panels. Takes about a half an hour to an hour to build each one. Alright, so we got our triangles set up here. We got another piece here to insert. So we have this guy. And then we have this guy that we can use to center. Alright, so we have our piece inserted into the jig right around here. Alright, so this is the piece that's been inserted. There you go. That is dope. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Totally awesome. Totally. Alright, so this is the back of the acoustic panel. And I have my homemade picture hanger that we're going to try. And this will make sure we mount so that the center point is directly in the middle. So that's our 8 5/16 mark. And then we want to make sure that this is in the middle of the wood height wise. So the wood comes across here, it's about this thick, and it is in the middle. And now we just need a drill bit that will match that. Okay, one hole. Two hole. Okay, that is secure.
Some of the flutter echo is gone.
It's called flutter echo.
I actually don't hear any flutter. Flutter echo is like the real high pitched frequencies. Like dude, when we were working with hi-hats or whatever, you hear this like loud, like it sounds like it's a resonant frequency like in the middle of a hi-hat, but in reality it's just like a bunch of frequencies bouncing off each other.